Welcome back, everyone. If you have many photos, and these photos take up a lot of your memory, today you'll learn how to share an album on any iPhones. This is a very powerful function. Can definitely help you 100%. Go over to your settings. Tap on your iCloud account. iCloud. Make sure photo is enabled. And turn on Share Album. Then go over to Photo. Tap plus icon on the top left. Tap New Shared Album. Here just type a name to be on this new shared album. And you can invite whoever you want for the specific shared album. Tap the plus to the right of the box to access your iPhone contacts list. Or you can type their email address or iPhone number into the box. Then tap Create. Then go and click here. Tap on plus. And you can add whatever photos you want to add in a specific folder. Done. Post. If you want, you can add more people by clicking on the little plus button right here. Tap Invite People. And we can add more people going through here. But there is something you should know. Shared albums don't take up your phone's storage or your iCloud space. It is a separate cloud space. You can share up to 200 albums via cloud photo sharing. And each shared album can contain a maximum of 5,000 photos or videos. So it means you can put 1 million photos and videos. Yes, there is no need to spend money on iCloud memory. It is super nice. Now let's check it. Here you can see the invitation from a shared album. Click Accept. Well done. Next, I will recommend very popular management software for iPhone's data. If you have other data besides photos, and it will take you a lot of storage, you can use TenorShare iCare Phone. iCare Phone is a powerful tool that can help you free backup your iPhone, extract iPhone backup, and manage your iPhone data like a pro. Go check the download link in the description and download it. Once finished installed, connect your iPhone to PC. Head to Backup and Restore. Select some of the files, or them all. Choose a location. Then go ahead and hit Backup. The speed of the backup will not be long. You need to be patient. Once done, you can view backup data like this. Here you can see all the data on your old iPhone, such as photos, videos, memos, contacts, etc. When you update your iPhone and lost all your data, then you can use iCare Phone and restore backup. This tool works perfectly when dealing with large files. If you just want to transfer some data to your new iPhone, you should definitely consider going with this option. Okay. Here is today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like this video, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned for our next videos.